My brother lost his left hand due to an accident, but the boss told him not to worry. The third brother will give it to him immediately. Print an identical hand. The boss took the silicone out of the box, layer after layer. Apply it tightly to his right hand. Cover the entire down payment and dry it. Take it off and it's the model of the little brother's hand. Fill it with plaster. Tear off the silicone after cooling. 1:1 replicated hands come to life. This machine is a 3D printer. He hooked up the computer and projected it in high definition, accurate drawing, like an assembly line, to produce replicas that are accurate to the millimeter. It's hollow inside. The master fills it with silicone that simulates human hands. They will accompany guests for the rest of their lives. Now it looks fake at first glance, but don't worry. The master is looking at the skin color of the guest. For the legs. The moment I just posted instantly make people's eyes shine. Earth reality. Even the lines and blood vessels of the hand must be copied. It's hard to tell what's real now. But the master is far from over. The reason is in the nails. Every detail must be perfect. Nails should be based on the color of the guest's nails. And then finally finishing up on the street. And in 2 weeks, the client will be able to fit it. First apply lubricating oil to the arm. Put the prosthesis on. No sense of incongruity. If you don't look carefully, you can't tell the real from the fake. Many disabled guests come here. This lady customized her fingers. The moment I hit the street, immediately moved to cry. There is another unfortunate little brother. He lost a hand. I had tears in my eyes the minute I put on my prosthetic hand. The craftsman boss, with exquisite craftsmanship, helped countless disabled people. How touching.